How do you control yourself? Have you ever lost your temper and regretted it later? Or maybe you gave in to temptation when you knew you shouldn't have? We've all been there. Self-control is one of the hardest things to master, but it's also one of the most important skills for success in life. So today, we're diving deep into the question, how do you control yourself? Whether it's managing anger, resisting bad habits, or staying disciplined, I'll share science-backed strategies to help you take charge of your actions. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have practical tools to strengthen your self-control. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. Why is self-control so hard? Before we talk about how to control yourself, let's understand why it's so difficult. Our brains are wired for instant gratification. Thousands of years ago, grabbing that extra piece of food or reacting aggressively to a threat could mean survival. But today, that same wiring makes us procrastinate, overeat, or snap at people we love. Research from Stanford's famous marshmallow test shows that self-control is like a muscle. It can get tired. If you've been resisting temptations all day, by nighttime, you're more likely to binge-watch Netflix instead of going to the gym. The good news, you can train self-control. Let's break it down. The 5-step framework for better self-control. Here's a simple but powerful framework to help you stay in control no matter the situation. Step 1. Pause before reacting. When emotions run high, your logical brain shuts down. The key? Create a pause. If you're angry, count to 10. If you're tempted, wait 5 minutes before giving in. This small gap helps you respond instead of react. Step 2. Remove temptations. Willpower is overrated. The easiest way to avoid temptation. Don't rely on willpower, change your environment. If social media distracts you, delete the apps. If junk food is a problem, don't keep it at home. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 3. Use the if-then technique. Studies show that planning ahead strengthens self-control. Create if-then rules like, if I feel like yelling, then I'll lower my voice. If I crave sugar, then I'll drink water first. This programs your brain to act differently. Step 4. Reward. Good behavior. Self-control isn't about punishment, it's about positive reinforcement. Finished a task? Reward yourself with a short break. Avoided junk food? Enjoy a fun activity. This trains your brain to associate discipline with pleasure. Step 5. Practice daily discipline. Small daily habits build self-control over time. Try meditation, even 5 minutes helps. Cold showers trains mental resilience. Journaling reflects on triggers. The more you practice, the stronger your self-control becomes. What to do when you slip up? Nobody's perfect. You will lose control sometimes, and that's okay. The key is to avoid the what the hell effect, where one mistake leads to a spiral. Instead, 1. Acknowledge it without guilt. 2. Learn from it. What triggered you? 3. Reset immediately. Don't wait for Monday. Self-control isn't about being rigid, it's about freedom. Freedom from regret, from bad habits, from letting emotions control you. Recap. 1. Pause before reacting. 2. Remove temptations. 3. Use if-then planning. 4. Reward good behavior. 5. Practice daily discipline. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's the hardest part about self-control for you? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe for more tips on mastering your mind. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.